Next topic I am discussing about storage classes in C. We will discuss what is storage class in C, types of storage classes in C, and after that we will explain each storage classes. First we will discuss what is storage class. What is storage class? Storage class means storage class defines the lifetime visibility, memory location and initial value and variable scope. Actually we are using this storage class is to representing the information about the variable. There are four types of storage classes in C: automatic or auto, external, static and register. These are the four types of storage classes in C: automatic, external, static and register. First we can discuss about automatic. What is automatic storage classes? Automatic storage class is a default storage class. The scope of the variable is limited within the particular block only. The variables defined using auto storage class are called as local variables. This means only the block in which the auto variable is declared can access it. A keyword auto is used to define an auto storage class. By default, an auto variable contains a garbage value. Example, auto int roll number. This is the example of auto storage class. Next we can discuss about extern. Extern storage class is used when we have a global functions or variables which are shared between two or more files. Keyword extern is used to declaring a global variable or function in another file to provide the reference of the variable or function which have been already defined into the original file. The variables defined using an extern keyword are called as a global variables. These variables are accessible throughout the program. Example, extern void calculate. Next one is static. Static variables are visible only to the function or block in which they are defined. Default initial value of the static variable is 0 or null. The visibility of the static global variable is limited to the file in which it has declared. The keyword static is used for define the static variables. The variables defined as a static specifier can hold their value between the multiple function calls. The static storage class instructs the compiler to keep the local variable in existence during the lifetime of the program. Next one is register. Register is used to define the local variables that should be stored in a register instead of the RAM. The access time of the register variable is faster than the automatic variables. The register keyword is used for the variable for declaration. We can store the pointers into the register. A register can store the address of the variables. The initial default value of the register local variable is 0. That's it about storage classes in C.